child, so young, so thin, and so red. Why are you staring at me? Is my eyes looking at me? But I know that you are staring at me. Why are we whispering to one another? Why? Do you know my father? Do you know my father? Do you know me 5 years ago? Yes. 5 years of bitterness of that. I can still remember that happiness mother and I shared with each other. We were very happy. Suddenly, 5 knocks were heard on the door. And it decided to sue. We just want people to restore our peaceful home. My ranch heart by Swedish. Please release hide the cellar. Then the cellar they cannot find you. I pulled before his arm but he did not move. It seems as though his feet was glued to the floor. The door was bang. And before us, like a lady came watching me. Are you talking to this uncle? Roared Douglas of the hall. Yes, said my father. You are under arrest, said one of them. They pulled father roughly away from us. Mother was not given a chance to get us goodbye. We followed them mile after mile. We were hungry and thirsty. We saw a group of Japanese eating. Oh, how our mouths watered, seeing those delicious foods we were eating. Suddenly, we heard a voice called, Consuelo! Oscar! Consuelo! Oscar! Consuelo! Oscar! We ran towards the direction of the voice, but it was too late. We saw Father hanging to tree, dead. Oh, it was terrible. He was badly beaten before he died. And I cried, vengeance, vengeance, vengeance. Everything was black. The next thing I knew, I was nursing my poor invalid mother. One day, we heard the church bell ringing, ding dong, ding dong. It was time for us to find shelter in our hideout. I could not see my poor invalid mother. I tried to show her the way to the hideout. Suddenly, bombs started falling. Airplanes were roaring overhead, and the cannons firing from everywhere. Boom, 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 boom. Mother was hit. Her legs were shattered into pieces. I took her gently into my arms and cried, I have vengeance, vengeance. No, Oscar, vengeance is God, said Mother. But I cried out vengeance. I was like a set of volcano. Vengeance is mine, not the Lord. No, Oscar, vengeance is not ours, it's God. These were the words of my mother before she died. Mother was dead and I was blind. Vengeance is not ours. Forgive. Forgive is divine, but vengeance is sweeter. Spare me a piece of bread. Spare me your mercy. I am a child, so young, so thin and so red. Vengeance is not ours, it's God. It's God.